All right, guys, today we're working on this 2015 Malibu LT. And what we're doing today is we're going to change the back brakes on both sides. We're going to change the back brakes and replace this rotor on this one side. All right, let's get Phenom out the way and get started. Always crisscross, especially if they're aluminum wheels. And when I mean crisscross, it's good to go here, 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 and here. That's what I mean by crisscross. Man, that is bad. That's like really bad. 13. Oh, that 13. Huh. 13 fit perfectly. So 13 is what it is. Always keep up with your stuff. This cord seems to be in my way. So we might need them. Nope, there it is. We almost had to go the hard way, but we didn't. Let's see why they would put that right there in the way. So the correct fit back here is actually an 18. And I just happen to have one. The way this back is set up, it's a lot different from the front, so you will need wrenches for this back, because it was impossible for me to get a socket in there. So you will need an 18 millimeter wrench. And to take the brakes off, you can use a 13 millimeter. But we are getting it. So now, we're going to need a T, I think it's a T30. So to take this rotor off, to take this rotor off, you're going to need a T30. Shouldn't be too hard to come off. Just have to give it a little bit of that something. Okay, got to keep all this stuff where you can find it. Take that rotor off. See, that is bad, but we have a replacement. Here are the goodies. I like CarQuest too, and that's auto advanced auto. It want to be. Snuggy snug. Okay, so the main difference I see between the front and the back is that you're going to need an 18 millimeter because of the way the suspension is set up in the back. It's hard to get to stuff. And not even the brake fluid, the way they got that situated close to that that 13 millimeter nut makes it hard to get to too. But we, kind of worked around that. But those are the major differences that I see. Other than that, not too bad. Now, as far as your guides to let you know when your brakes get low, we're going to put that on this side because I noticed this side goes down a lot quicker than the back side. If it lets me. Which I don't see why. I don't see why it shouldn't. Yeah. Yeah, that'll work. Perfect. Okay. I don't know if you have to do it every time, but what seemed to help me is putting the back side in first and then squeezing the front side in. I don't know. That might be a technique, but it helped me, so we're gonna stick with that. The thing about the caliper, undo the hood and open your brake fluid reservoir, and as that goes in, it should bring that fluid back up. You take that cap off to let that fluid come up. If that cap is on there, it will put pressure on that fluid, and these are ABS brakes. You have to be careful because these are ABS brakes. Okay. So to actually do these calipers, I had to go and rent a tool. Rented the tool from AutoZone. It's just a front and rear brake caliper tool, OEM, because it spread it out so far. If you try to buy one of those cheap $13, $15 tools, they got it's like a little Rubik's Cube, it will not work. It will not work. So had to go and rent a tool. Rent the tool, pay the down deposit, take the tool back, they give you money back. No, no ifs, ands, and buts. So that's what you got to do. I think you can get this brake cleaner spray for like $2 a can. Comes in handy. All right. And that is it. All right, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. 2015 Malibu LT rear brakes. A little different from the front. So hope you paid attention. 18 millimeter to take off the rotor, the caliper nuts, and then the brake 13 millimeter, and then you gotta use a T30 to actually take the rotor off. And if you got that, you pretty much got it all. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And if you don't do nothing else, be good to yourself, and please be good to others.